Good afternoon, everyone. I am Mohammad Zubair. Basically, today we are diving into the world of innovation, style, and athlete excellence. And as we explore one of the most iconic brand in our time, it's Nike. As you can see, they use logo like iconic switch, and the founders are like Phil Knight and Bill Boorman. And year it founded 1964. Headquarters are based in USA. Like they have like core products like athlete wear, equipments and accessories. Market presence like global with retail store in over 170 countries. Like brand values, innovation, performance, and sustainabilities and social responsibilities. Like brand ambassadors are like Michael Jordan, as we know. Like they launch Air Jordan 1 and Cristiano Ronaldo also. Let's talk about like brand overview and core products. They have like athlete wear and sneakers. There are three, like many types of categories, but I mention it like three, like accessories, shoes, and apparel. Like strategy on social media they follow, like in Facebook, objective, engage with a brand audience and share brand stories and promote their products. Like strategy, like regular post, like featuring inspirational stories and new product launches and athlete endorsements. Like engagement tactics, like contacts, polls, and user generated content and campaigns. As you can see, they have a like Facebook page. They have like 39 million followers on it, and 37 million likes. Recently, in Facebook, they create an ad campaign. They target location Germany, and they target female. As you can see here, like age range is like 18 to 24 years old. They post regularly on Facebook. Like as you can see, like Kevin Hart is the most famous person in the Hollywood. Strategies they follow on Instagram, like objective, so showcase visual content, lifestyle, and product highlights. Like strategy, high quality images and videos featuring athletes and products in action, the behind the scenes footage. Engagement tactics, like influencer partnership, user generated content, and stories. In Instagram, they have 307 million followers. As you can see, they post regularly. Like they gain average like 84,000 in daily basis. There are some products they post on Instagram. Like total followers for Nike weekly, like as you can see, like May 23, like 275 million followers, and May 24, like 300 million. And as you can see, like May and media, they post like one post weekly. Social media strategy. Nike has a comprehensive online marketing and strategy to promote its effectively. How they do it, like Nike maintain a strong presence on various social media platforms, like including Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, YouTube. They share engaging content such as product launches and athlete endorsements, behind the scene footage, and inspirational stories. Let's talk about influencer partnership. Nike collaborate with influencer athletes and celebrities who align with their brand values and target audience. As you can see in previous post, I mentioned like how they target. They leverage influencer partnership to reach new audience and increase brand and content marketing. Nike product and distributes high quality content across the various platform channels, including their websites and social media and email newsletters. They create inspirational stories and educational articles and product tutorials also. And Nike utilize multimedia content such as videos, images, and photographs. Like search engine marketing. Nike run paid search advertising campaign on platform like Google Ads and appear the top search results relevant keyword. Like they create compelling and ad copy relevant leading page, optimize for conversion driving traffics to specify their products and page promotional offers. Email marketing. Nike utilize email marketing to communicate direct with their customer subscribers and members also. They have a loyalty program. They send personalized email campaigns featuring product and recommendation, exclusive offers also, and event invitations based on customer preferences and purchase history. Web types optimization. Nike ensures their website is user friendly and visually appealing and optimized for both desktop and mobile devices. Like they provide seamless navigation and product categorized and quick loading times enhance the user experience. Like let's talk about suggestions and learnings, like personal engagements, like content specific audience segments based on interest demographics and behaviors. Like use data analytics to understand audience preferences and optimize content strategies. Like authentic storytelling, continue to like authentic storytelling focus on the brand heritage, innovation and social impact, and community building also. Like sustainable practice, like highlights the brand commitment and sustainability through social media and campaigns and initiatives. Educate followers on eco-friendly product and initiative, fostering a sense of responsibility and environmental stewardship. Like conclusion, like overall Nike online marketing strategy serve as a valuable lesson in leveraging digital channels to build brand awareness and driving engagement and ultimately drive business growth today digital first landscape. Like Nike effective use social media platform has contributed its global brand and dominance and continued growth by leveraging personalized engagement. Thank you.